Good morning, friends. Hope all of you are safe, doing well in your fields. Wish you all the best. Today, we may take up a very simple point of GST. GST on gift and sales promotion items. First of all, I may clarify that the word gift is not defined in the GST Act. Hence, once the definition of a particular thing, particular item is not there in the particular act, its definition, its reference of definition in another act is to be taken. Gift is passing on movable or immovable property by one person to another without any consideration or without adequate consideration. Sometimes it happens that the business houses gives gifts to various persons in support of or in view of their business growth. But there is a clear-cut provision in GST Act, Section 17 of the GST Act, that input on GST, input on purchase shall be available only and if only the item is used in furtherance of the business. Hence, the onus lies on the registered person to prove that it is in furtherance of the business. Suppose a paint manufacturer gives a box of paint to a carpenter. It will certainly not fall under the sales promotion or gift definition will apply, and input on the cost incurred on that item shall have to be reversed. Similarly, the free trips allowed to doctors, free samples given to doctors by medicine companies for promotion of their medicines are not treated as sales promotion expenses as per GST Act, and input need to be reversed on that. But if the business house gives target to its dealers to achieve a particular sale and on achievement of that target, some items like gold coins or something else or some foreign trip shall be allowed to the said dealer who has completed the targets. Then input on GST, input of GST on such expenses shall certainly be allowed. But one thing to be kept in mind, that This sort of arrangement with the dealers by the manufacturers or the wholesalers must be in writing to prove that this was the scheme, this was the target, and only after achievement of the target the said item or the said expense has been incurred on the dealer. I hope the basic thing is clear regarding gift and sales promotion and input on those. Still, if you have any query, you are most welcome to talk to me. You can subscribe to my channel